In today's video, I am going to discuss about Boolean data type in Python programming. Here we are learning what is Boolean data type, what is the use of that, and how many Boolean values are there, what are the internal values of Boolean data type, what is the Boolean arithmetic. These things we learn it. In Python programming, bool is one of the predefined class treated as a fundamental data type. The purpose of bool data type is to represent true or false values. The purpose of true represents on state. The purpose of representing false is off state. In general, true and false values are called logical values. Programmatically, the value of true is treated as 1, the value of false is treated as 0. Practically speaking, how to represent true, how to represent false, I am showing in the coding. Let us consider the Jupyter notebook. There I am writing A is equal to true and print A, comma, type of A, which is going to be taken as bool. Bool is a class and true is called a value. You have to write always in the form of capital T. We should not write small t. B is equal to false, F capital, and B comma type of B, which is going to be also bool. We should not use this true and false as variable names in Python because true and false are treated as keywords. No keywords to be used as variable names. In general, value of true can be taken as 1. Value of false can be taken as 0. On Boolean values, we can perform Boolean arithmetic. If I look at that in a presentation format, A is equal to true, B is equal to false. If I write it, C is equal to A plus B, internally it is substituted as, in place of A, substituted as what? 1 plus B place it is substituted as 0, which is going to contain 1. This 1 is stored in where? C. If I print the value called C, it is going to be taken as 1. Well, in general, if A is equal to false and then B is equal to also false, if I write it, print of A plus B, if I write it, it is going to be taken as 0 plus 0, which is called what? 0. It is known as Boolean arithmetic, we can call Boolean arithmetic. If we come to practically here, print of true plus false, which is called 1. Print of true plus true, which is going to be taken as 2. If I take it as false plus false, false plus false is taken as like this. In general, if I take it true by false, anything by 0 is an error in Python, that is called 0 division error will come. So 0 division error is the result. We got 0 division error. In general, if I write it false by false, also going to give you anything by 0 is called 0 division error. If I write it here false by true, which is going to give you the value called 0. 0 by 1 is nothing but 0, 0.0. We can also apply false double slash true, you will get 0. Single slash will give you float coefficient, double slash will give you 0. In general, you can also apply with true plus 0b 1010 binary. With number systems also we can add it. This is going to be 1 plus 10. It is going to be plus, I will write it, plus it is going to give you 11. Print of what? True into something like 0 x and f, if I write it, you will get 15. So the combination of true and false values can be applied with any number system values. we can also apply this kind of thing, true plus 1.2, 1.2 plus false. I can write it. This also will give you true 1 plus 1.2, 2.2 plus 0. It is going to give you the answer called 2.2. So, the Boolean data type is always meant for representing true and false values. Internally, these true and false values are considered as keywords. So, how can we know that these are keywords? I'll show the proof of why these true and false are called keywords. I'll show you the proof for why true and false are keywords. Import, there is a module called keyword as k alias name. I am saying k dot kw list. This is a way to see the keywords. Under that, false is a keyword and true is the keyword. We have to write as it is like a capital F and a capital true. If I write it something like false is equal to some value 10, you will get syntax error. We got syntax error because we are using false is a keyword. No keywords to be used as variable names in Python. So, if I try to write it, a is equal to small false, if I write it, it is going to give you a variable error, that is called a name error, because there was no name called false like small f, because when I write false like a f small, it is treated as a variable name. Such variable name is not there in my Jupyter notebook. So far I used it. You'll get name error. We got it. This is about Boolean data type. For more videos, subscribe and share Naresh IT channel. Thank you.